I'm Paparazzi.
I'm Geritol.
And I'm Petunia.
We're here courtesy of ClownAntics.com. Our skit is called Rubber Balloons.
Nice. Has a new patient come today?
Mrs. McGillicuddy is waiting, doctor.
Oh, Mrs. McGillicuddy. Oh, hello, Mrs. McGillicuddy.
How are you?
It's so nice to see you today. You look wonderful.
Thank you, thank you.
I have good news and I have bad news. Which would you like first?
I'll have the good news first, of course.
Okay, let me test this. Oh, it works, nurse, it works. All right, here's the good news. Oh, it's good news. Let's try this one. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. Now, the bad news.
Oh.
You ready? The rabbit died. Oh.
Doctor, what should I do?
Rubber hand. Yes?
It's not working, doctor. What should I do?
Rubber arm.
Doctor, it's not working. What should I do?
Rubber leg. There it is.
Doctor, it's not working. What should I do?
Rub her balloons.
Not my balloon.
Hi, we're from Call Us Clowns. We want you to tell all your friends to watch us. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.